Hey everyone, welcome back to Beginner's Guide for Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the password for your Wi-Fi network using your computer's control panel. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. Then, type Control Panel in the search bar. And click on it when it appears. In the control panel, look for the option that says Network and Internet. If you can't find it, you might need to change the View by option to Category at the top right. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Network and Sharing Center to open it. Now, you'll see your active network connections. Find your Wi-Fi connection listed here. It should be under Connections and show your Wi-Fi name SID. Click on the Wi-Fi network name. A new window will pop up showing the status of your Wi-Fi connection. In this window, click on the Wireless Properties button. In the Wireless Network Properties window, go to the Security tab. You'll see a box labeled Network Security Key. This is where your Wi-Fi password is stored. To reveal the password, check the box that says Show Characters. And that's it! You've successfully found your Wi-Fi password using the control panel on your computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Beginner's Guide for Tech for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video!